beginner's guide on how to swap your tokens. So live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. We're reviewing this article by Andrew Sengingoff. So you want to click on the red subscribe button so you'll be informed, and also turn on notifications so you'll be informed whenever we drop beneficial uploads. Now, the crypto industry is skewed towards the innovation of simple and seamless processes for handling, storing, buying, and using digital assets. This prevailing team has directly improved user experience and eliminated some of the complexities that was once attributed with the emerging sector. So one of such innovative advancements came in form of token swaps designed to reduce the overhead cost and time required to exchange one crypto asset to another. However, as impressive as this sounds, not many seem to grasp the importance of such functionalities. So we're going to be talking about what are token swaps. So a token swap is has two distinct definitions within the crypto sphere. First connotes the process of instantaneously exchanging one cryptocurrency to another without having to first undertake a crypto to fiat exchange. This definition encapsulates the workings of prominent platforms like Changely, ShapeShift, SWap, and more. So on the other hand, the second definition of token swaps, however, revolves around the migration of projects or platforms from one blockchain to another and the coin swapping requirements that often accompany such a move. So in basics, one token is being changed to another. In this case, a project has for one reason or the other chosen to switch its operation to base to another blockchain with unique token standards. So as such, the development team must provide the means of investors and users to swap the project's native token to another token that is compatible with the new blockchain network. So the process involved is what we call token swapping, token migration. So how do tokens swappings work? This guy will be focusing on the first definition of token swap, as mentioned earlier, where there's a seamless crypto to crypto exchange services rather than the often cost of converting a digital asset to fiat, with you subsequently using the fiat to buy your desired cryptocurrencies. For example, if you want to exchange your com coin to ZIL, you've most likely discover that the exchanges that provide the com/ZIL trading pair are few and far between. As such, you may have to first trade your com tokens for fiat currencies or other established coins like BTC, USDT. From there, you can exchange the popular coins or fiat directly. You also want to agree that the process is long and cost ineffective. So those are some of the things you want to note. The platforms with token swap offer a convenient and secure crypto to crypto gateway. You can do all the exchanging you want from either a custodial or non-custodial wallet. And depending on the robustness of your wallet, you may not be able to, you may not need to transfer your coins to a crypto swapping service or exchange before accessing an instant crypto to crypto exchange feature. So examples of solutions offering dedicated crypto swapping services are Changely, ShapeShift, ChangeNow, SimpleSwap. So exchanges and wallets have also begun to create their in-house swapping services. Moreover, the DeFi craze of 2020 further spurred the emergence of DeFi token swap solutions. Same trend is currently sweeping across the NFT market, which we also want to look into. So it is worth mentioning that some services eliminate slippage by offering fixed swap rates that are held from the start of the transaction to its finalization. The only added requirement for such offers is that you may have to pay a higher transaction fee. So those are some of the perks, guys. The slippage gives you opportunity to reduce to buy these tokens at a cheaper transaction rate, transaction fee. So looking at what the future holds for token swap services, so why Bitcoin remains the go-to crypto asset for many new investors is their foray into the altcoin market and virtually exposes them to the myriad of opportunities embedded in the digital assets. This is where token swap services enter the foray. So as the crypto industry continues to gravitate towards mainstream adoption, expect token swap services to become more prominent. So, in conclusion, token swap services are playing a pivotal role in the ongoing crypto renaissance. They eliminate the common barriers to entering the altcoin market. In some cases, these solutions provide an easier gateway to cryptocurrencies with low market capitalization. So, with low, judging by their simple, fast, and less complicated approach to digital asset exchange, there is every reason to believe that token swaps will continue to feature prominently in the crypto industry. So, guys, that's it. Jubai Keys, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay Stay tuned for more. Peace out and all of guys.